Okay, so I'm probably supposed to wait till day 2 and day 3 and day 4 and whatever to open the next ones, but I am so psyched. I mean, I got the freaking gaming chair on the very first one, and I love it so much that I'm gonna go ahead and open up the second one. So let me see what we got. All right, so I got the second box here. We're gonna see what we got. I know I'm supposed to wait, but I can't help myself. I'm like a little kid at Christmas. It's like, oh my god, I just want everything right now. Looks like a little book and lots of little details, lots of little pamphlets. This one may be a little bit more work than a gaming chair. Oh, maybe this little monitor. So they have them all like individually heat sealed. I think it's a monitor. So yeah, so it's supposed to be, I think, like a little desk and a monitor and some little decals. I don't know. I'm not very good at this stuff. So to me, it's like, oh, it's cute. So we got a little mug. Oh, whoop. I think it's supposed to be the coffee in the mug. So I think that's a little coffee mug, right? 39. Yeah, well, that was a while ago, but it's okay. I'm still 39 somewhere in my brain, so yeah. Let's see, we got, looks like a little stylus maybe? Maybe it's supposed to be a pet, no. It's got like a back stand thing. I don't know, it looks almost like a little stylus. I thought this was like a iPad type thing, but it's got a little back stand, so I don't know. Pretty cool. Can't wait to find out. So I totally screwed up, but I figured it out. So this little tablet and little stylus, wherever it just went. Yeah. And this is the book. Outside, inside. The little cup of Joe right here. And we have this little plexi little signage. And yeah, so I figured it out. I was a little bit slow on that one. I did off camera because I had no idea what I was doing. But it all turned out, so I'm pretty pleased. So yeah, so let's see what we get in the next one.